Hi my sweet people, today's video is actually on this white chocolate chip cookies and cream brownies. If you want to know how I make it, then do keep on watching. She's a Mona Lisa. You'll need items like flour, Oreos, condensed milk, butter, egg, salt, and white chocolate chips. So just prepare a mixing bowl and add in your butter. I'm using unsalted butter here. Sometimes I like to switch it up, so if I'm using salted, then I'll remove the salt altogether. So next you can add in your white chocolate chips, like how you do normal brownies. It's the same thing. So instead of the dark chocolate chips, you're actually using white chocolate. So you just need to microwave for around 30 seconds and make sure that this batter doesn't burn because of the chocolate. And then just continue mixing until both the butter and the white chocolates are actually well mixed. She lives a double life, puts on a show, what's under this outer smile. After this is done, then you can take another mixing bowl and you can add in the egg, and next you can add in your condensed milk. So over here I'm actually using the condensed milk, which this recipe actually calls for the whole can, and I didn't think that I would want it to be so sweet, so I actually lessened this and I only added around 3/4 of the can itself. So if you want, you can just add in the whole can, up to you. But it actually ended up being sweet, but I mean not as sweet as a brownie would, I guess. So I actually just wanted to um, put in lesser because I was afraid that it would be too sweet. As you know, normal brownies are sweet, but that is dark chocolate. So this being white chocolate, I didn't want it to be overly sweet, and it turned out just fine. So it just based on your preference on what you actually want. So next you can add in the white chocolate batter into this mixing bowl and just mix well. Everyone's lining up to see it. There must be something that features. You'll find the beauty goes much. There must be something that features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. After these two are well combined, next you can sieve your flour. So I'm using all-purpose flour here, and then just sieve the flour and add into your batter, and then you can just continue mixing until everything is fully combined. Double life puts on show, what's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. So I'm adding the flour in batches so that it's not too much in one go, which is better because if not it will be a bit hard to mix and then everything will be flying everywhere. So just adding it slowly and just mixing. As I mix it now, it's actually getting a bit tougher, so the batter is becoming like a thick consistency, and I was a bit afraid at this point because I was like, it's too thick now, so is this gonna come out as, you know, as I expect or not? But yeah, it did turn out good. And then next you can add in your vanilla extract or essence and just continue mixing. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You see her walking down the boulevard. I'm not sure if I actually recorded that I added salt, but just remember to add in your salt as well so that you don't forget. And next you can crush up 9 Oreos or more if you want, and then just add it into your batter, and you can crush it as finely as you want or bigger pieces, up to you. So I'm not really crushing it that much for the 8 of the Oreos. Only for one of the Oreos I actually crushed it more finely, but it still turned out to look, the batter was still quite light, like, you know, like a cookies and cream kind of feeling.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Now that you're done with mixing everything and it's all well combined, so you can get your pan, and I'm using a 8x8 inch here. So you can get a baking paper and grease it so that you can add your batter into the pan and then prepare to bake the brownies.
Once you get to meet her, you see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her feature.
The batter actually looks really good and looks like ice cream actually, but of course don't eat it. And then just bake it at 350 Fahrenheit, and you can bake for around 30 to 35 minutes.
You find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Once it's done baking, then you can allow it to cool and you can slice to serve. But this was really an interesting recipe to make, and the brownies actually didn't really taste like, or is, you know, the consistency and the end product actually turned out to be something like a cake. I feel it's more like a cake than a brownie, but of course this is a brownie recipe, and it did turn out nice and interesting actually. I never really had white chocolate brownies, so this is the cookies and cream brownie recipe. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet.